Hello, everyone. If your Facebook account is logged in on another phone, computer, or unknown device, and you want to log out from all devices at once, this video will show you the easiest method. So keep watching till the end and follow all the steps carefully. First, open your Facebook app on your phone. Now, tap on the three lines menu icon, usually located at the top right corner on Android or bottom right corner on iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings. Tap on Account Center. Now scroll down until you find Password and Security. Tap on it. Here you'll see the Where You're Logged In section. Tap See All. Now Facebook will show all devices where your account is currently active. Scroll down and tap on Select Devices to log out, or tap Log Out of all sessions, depending on your Facebook version. Then confirm. That's it. Your Facebook account will instantly log out from all devices except the current one, or from all sessions if selected.